Hello students.
Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss POCs and NOCs of Unit 6, Software Defined Network for the Subject Enterprise Network Design of B7 Semester IT, University of Mumbai. In this lecture, we will cover POCs and NOCs. Actually, this is very small lecture, and POCs and NOCs are implementation and it requires Unix operating system or Ubuntu. So I'm not going on detail of that. We just introduce about POCs and NOCs. So currently there are different OpenFlow and SDN controller implementations in it is available. So here we limit ourselves to NOx and POCs, NodeFlow, Floodlight. These are other implementations also, and these are from Beacon and OpenFlow Daylight. So we are not going to discuss these. Only POCs and NOCs is given in syllabus. So if you want to know more about NOCs, so you can go noxrepo.org. That is noxrepo.org. It was the first OpenFlow controller written in C++ and provides API for Python also. It has been the basis for many research and development projects in early exploration of OpenFlow and SDN space. NOX has two separate lines of development, NOX Classics and NOX, and also known as NOX. Okay, this NOX is also known as NOX. The former is well-known line of development. Actually, this is POCs. So it is a well-known line of development which contains support for Python and C++ along with a bunch of network application. However, this line of development is deprecated and there is no plan for further deployment and development on NOX Classic, that is our POCs. New NOX only supports C++ and it has fewer network application compared to NOX Classics, but is much faster and has a much cleaner code base. POCs is a Python only, okay? NOX is C++ and POCs is a Python only version of NOX. It can be considered as general open source OpenFlow controller written in Python and a platform for rapid development and prototyping of network application. The primary target of POCs is research. Since many of the research projects are short-lived by nature and the focus of the developers of POCs is on right interface rather than maintaining a stable API, NOX and POCs are managed in Git source code repository on GitHub. Cloning the Git repository is preferred way to get NOX and POCs. POCs branches fall into two categories, active and release. Active branches are branches that are being actively developed, and release branches are branches which at some point of selected as being a new version. The most recently released branch may continue to get worked on, but only in form of bug fixes. So new features always go into active branch. Okay. So here it is. There is very small comparison between NOX and POCs. NOX is developed in C++. It is fast and not distributed. OpenFlow 1.0 and 1.3 is supported. Learning curve is moderate, while POCs is Python based. It's slower. Distributed, it is also not distributed. OpenFlow 1.0 are easy. This is for research experimentation and demonstration. So if you want to go for this, you can search in websites also. So I'm showing you one website. So let us summarize this chapter. In this chapter, we have discussed POCs and NOX. Okay, so POCs is Python based implementation and NOX is C++. So you can find more about this POCs and NOX from github.com NOX repo. So thank you very much for this lecture. This is very small because a lot of implementation is there. If you want implementation, then you can message or you can ask to the people from Ekida. So they will send me the message and I will show you the implementation. In next video, we will see OpenFlow in cloud computing. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.